Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can extract zip files on a PC. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, get to the target zip file that you would like to extract. After that, create a new folder so that the extracted files do not get mixed up with other files. You can do that by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N keys on your keyboard. Now, click and drag the zip file into the newly created folder and open it up. After opening the zip file, you will see all of the files contained inside it. Next, click on the Extract To button located at the top left corner. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select the destination where you want to extract the files. Choose the destination folder and then click on OK. Once you have done that, the files will start extracting to the specified folder. After the extraction process is complete, you can go to the destination folder to access your extracted files. So that's basically how you can extract zip files on a PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.